is time. Time to light round curve. Going to Tim Stock started by buys. Also, don't get myself in playing this crowd. And then the lighting round is over. Are you ready? Ski Dad, time for the lighting round curve. Jerry, Missouri. Jerry.
Hey, Jim. Thanks for taking my call.
My pleasure.
Jim, Lisa Sue is making me nervous. Her interviews make it sound like her stock should be much higher, but my position is down over 17%. What should we be doing with our AMD holdings?
All right, this is very difficult, and you're absolutely right to bring it up, and I'm glad you did. Here's the problem. It is absolutely true. It is absolutely true that they're not doing as well as NVIDIA. It is true that they do not have the big Amazon orders that I've been looking at. But can we just remember that Lisa Su has built an amazing company, taking a lot of share from Intel, is got the number 2 in when it comes to the data center, when it comes to AI, and come on, she just did this great deal where she got all these engineers to come in. I think the stock is actually cheap, and it should be bought, and we are buying for the travel trust, and I wish I had bought some yesterday in the weakness, and I hope I am emphatic enough, which is why I took the beginning of this lightning round even. No, I'm just kidding. I could go on and on and on about AMD, and I probably will, and you'll get sick of it, but I really like it. Okay, let's go to Lucas in New York. Lucas.
Hey, Jim, how are you?
I am good. How are you, Lucas?
Good, thanks for asking. I've never liked Bitcoin. I feel like it's something I missed out on. Now with ETFs like IBIT, allowing traditional investors a way to invest in Bitcoin, and with Bitcoin passing 100,000 again today, and on top of it, Michael Saylor predicting Bitcoin could hit 13 million by 2045. Right, is it time to say, if you can't beat them, join them? And
okay, yes. If you can't beat them, join them. May I suggest you do this? I want you to buy the ETF. I do believe in Bitcoin. I'd be passionately in crypto. I think that if you wanted to have 10% of your position in crypto, which I think 20% is a little too high, I think you buy it down, and then you buy some right now tomorrow, and then you wait to 95, and then maybe you get to 90. I do want you to buy it, though. I'm a believer in crypto. I think it's an alternative to the $36 trillion that the federal government has to pay that I don't know where the hell they're going to get. Let's go to Paul in Maryland. Paul.
Hi, Jim. Pleasure to speak to you.
Right back at you.
I've watched your show for many years, and I've learned a lot from you.
Excellent.
I appreciate you. I have a question about a stock that I purchased a few months ago.
Okay.
I'm down 14%, and I'm wondering if you think I should hold it or possibly sell it or possibly put a stop loss on it. It's Constellation Energy.
Constellation Energy and Fisher are really high beta stocks. I very much prefer Sempra to these. I don't want you to sell Constellation Energy. It has a habit of bouncing back because it's really involved with the data center, but it has got way too much volatility for me. And I think that when it gets back to 250, 260, I think you should take some off the table and go put it in Sempra. Let's go to Raja in Washington. Raja.
Hi, Jim. I am an avid club member, and I've been a follower of the show since it premiered in March 2005. Great show.
Wow.
Thanks for bringing all the valued investment advice and discipline that you bring to the retail investor.
Well, that's what we're doing. We're teaching here. We got out of that game, the hedge fund game, to do some teaching, and obviously it's working, so thank you. How can I help?
Yeah. Value your insights of yours and my former college mate, Nikesh Arora, and my question is related to a company in the same vertical, Rubrik, which is
Rubrik is a very good company. It does cybersecurity, stops malicious spyware. It does a very good job. The stock has been straight up. And I've got to tell you, after that last quarter, I understand why it's straight up. It was probably mispriced when it came public. Let's go to Aiden in Indiana. Aiden.
Hey, Jim. I'm an 18-year-old investor from Brooksville, Indiana. About $1,000 worth of.
I'm sorry. I did not get to hear the name because I mistakenly pressed the applause button. The stock is?
JD.com.
JD.com. Oh, man, I'll go for Alibaba, but it's too much of a stretch for me to do JD.com. You're 18. I don't want you to fall behind the 8 ball. Let's do Baba if you want to own China. That one is not good enough for you. Let's go to Joe in Florida. Joe.
Jim Cramer, the Hall of Famer. The question is J&J, Johnson & Johnson.
Oh, man, this stock is just so low. It's 3.3% yield. It's got really fabulous drugs. I know the whole drug stocks, the whole cohort is down. But if you can get this company for 14 times next year's earnings, this is J&J. Even with the talc litigation, I do want to buy it down here. Drug stocks are way out of favor. We're not done. Let's go to Sean in Rhode Island. Sean.
Booyah, 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 Jim. Love the
Triple
energy,
booyah.
love the
Triple
show.
booyah. You catch that? There's a lot of booyahs. A lot of booyahs over there. Yeah, go ahead.
So my question for you, Jim, is Netflix. Is there any more runway?
You bet there is. Netflix is a subscription business. I'm going to throw in Spotify, okay, and Amazon, and Costco. Those are the four. I may do it as piece tomorrow. Maybe people don't watch every single show. And that, ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.